Hello Eagle Targeters, welcome back to our channel, where we consistently deliver the latest and fastest updates in the field of current military affairs.
The Russian T-90M tank, the latest iteration of Moscow's main battle tank, signifies a major advancement in armor and firepower. Aimed at mitigating the heavy losses Russia has suffered in its ongoing conflict in Ukraine. Despite deploying a range of tanks, including obsolete and World War II-era models, Russia's armored forces have been significantly depleted, with experts estimating over 3,000 tanks lost. The T-90M, equipped with an advanced fire control system, a 125mm main gun, and Relikt explosive reactive armor, was intended to be Russia's premier armored asset. Despite its sophisticated design and enhancements over older models, the T-90M has not met expectations in Ukraine, suffering substantial losses to Western-supplied anti-tank weapons. This highlights the challenges of modern armored warfare and the effectiveness of contemporary anti-tank systems, despite the T-90M's high value to Moscow. Russia's military systems have been severely impacted during its invasion of Ukraine. For over 2 years, Russian main battle tanks, airframes, unmanned aerial vehicles, and other assets have faced significant damage from Ukraine's arsenal of Western-supplied weapons. Kiev's inventory includes some of the best defensive systems available, such as the FGM-148 Javelin and the M142 high-mobility artillery rocket system. While Russia has suffered serious losses to various weapons throughout the war, main battle tanks have been particularly affected. Experts estimate that over 3,000 Russian tanks have been destroyed or captured since February 2022. To compensate for these extreme losses, Moscow has deployed as many replacements as possible, regardless of their age or capabilities, including World War II-era tanks like the T-45 and T-55. The T-90M, representing the latest generation of Russian MBTs, was initially seen as the country's best armored vehicle. This third-generation battle tank boasts improvements over its predecessors, including a fire control system, a 125mm 2A46 smoothbore main gun, and a Contact 5 explosive reactive armor system. Like many of Russia's current weapons, the T-90 has Soviet origins. During the Cold War, it was designed to replace the aging T-64, T-72, and T-80 MBTs, which had similar capabilities but required different components. The cost of producing and maintaining 3 separate tank series led the Russian Ministry of Defense to develop a single line of tanks after the USSR collapsed. The T-80 was a major competitor to the T-90 program, but its high fuel consumption and poor combat performance during the First Chechen War contributed to the selection of the T-90 as Russia's MBT. The T-90 prototype was initially developed by the Kartsev-Venedictov Design Bureau and has been manufactured at the Ural-Vagonzavod factory since 1992. Although similar to its predecessor, the T-90 has several key improvements, including a more advanced 1A45T Irtysh fire control system and an upgraded V84MS multi-fuel engine. Its smaller size gives it a greater operational range compared to its peers. First showcased during Russia's Zapad 2017 military exercise, the T-90M features numerous upgrades over previous models, including the integrated Relikt-era, which provides better protection against tandem warheads and significantly reduces the penetration of armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot rounds. According to Military Today, the T-90M series also offers increased protection against certain types of anti-tank weapons, with a countermeasure system that automatically triggers smoke grenade dischargers if the MBT is illuminated by a laser beam. the T-90M is better equipped for combat than its Soviet-era predecessors, featuring a new 2A46M4 gun with a longer and more accurate range, and the capability to launch 9M119 reflex anti-tank guided missiles. Its secondary armament includes a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun. Despite these enhancements, the T-90M has underperformed in Ukraine, with dozens of tanks captured or destroyed by Ukrainian forces using sophisticated anti-tank weaponry.
Thank you for watching. Hopefully, this show can broaden the knowledge for you and your family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help grow this channel even bigger.